just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right.
Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Friday, June 19, 2026. Juneteenth edition. Opening brief. What's good, my traveling fam? It's your girl Rattles. Best in Travel Channel hosting. Happy Juneteenth to everybody celebrating today. We honoring freedom, family, culture, cookouts, and good energy. Now with that being said, the travel streets still out here acting like they got warrants, unpaid tickets, and emotional damage. Airports crowded. Flights delayed. Ticket prices disrespectful. And TSA still looking at folks' bags like they're investigating a crime documentary. Let's get into this tea. First brief. TSA said, all y'all decided to travel today. What that blue said to Rattles was, TSA expected some of the busiest travel days of the year around the Juneteenth holiday period, with millions of travelers moving through checkpoints. Baby them airport lines looking like somebody giving away free plates at the family reunion. Everybody got luggage. Everybody got kids. Everybody got neck pillows. And somebody always holding up security because they forgot they got a whole gallon of lotion packed like they're relocating to Mars. TSA agent looking tired. Passengers looking tired. The conveyor belt looking tired. Everybody suffering together. Second brief. New York airports got put on portion control. What that blue said to Rattles was, the FAA continues limiting flights at major New York airports to help manage congestion and staffing challenges. Baby Newark, JFK, and LaGuardia finally got told, sit down. The FAA said you can't keep stuffing flights into these airports like grandma stuffing leftovers into butter containers. New York airports already wake up angry. Now they on a flight diet too. Somebody get these airports a therapist and a Capri Sun. Third brief. Gulf Airlines said, we back outside, baby. What that blue said to Rattles was, airlines in parts of the Gulf region are returning closer to normal operations after previous disruptions. Baby, those route maps been through more drama than a reality show reunion special. Flights cancelled. Flights rerouted. Flights disappearing and reappearing like they owed somebody money. Now everybody acting normal again. That's travel trauma recovery right there. Travel tip of the day. Check your flight before leaving home. Not while parking. Not while standing in TSA. Not after buying a $12 airport muffin. Before. Save yourself the stress. Fourth brief. Qantas said, here's a wellness zone for your suffering. What that blue said to Rattles was, Qantas continues promoting wellness features planned for future ultra-long haul flights lasting close to 20 hours. Baby. A wellness zone? For a 20-hour flight. At hour 3 I'm cool. At hour 10 I'm stretching. At hour 17 I need a chiropractor, a motivational speaker, and a fresh set of knees. That ain't wellness. That's survival with snacks. Fifth brief. World Cup travel got politics riding shotgun. What that blue said to Rattles was, international football officials continue discussing travel and entry issues connected to World Cup related movement. Baby, World Cup travel ain't just soccer no more. It's visas, schedules, security, hotels, flights, paperwork, and somebody always emailing documents at the last minute. That ain't sports travel. That's a group project where nobody read the instructions. Sixth brief. New Jersey ferry got cancelled before it could even embarrass itself. What that blue said to Rattles was, a proposed seasonal ferry service to the Jersey Shore was cancelled before launching after local approval issues. Baby, that ferry got cancelled before it even touched water. Folks already bought beach outfits, sunscreen, flip-flops, vacation energy. Then the project got shut down. The city basically said, take your beach dreams somewhere else. Cold-blooded. Closing brief. Baby, that's today's Juneteenth tea. TSA got crowds thicker than Thanksgiving leftovers. New York airport still on punishment. Gulf Airlines back outside. Qantas trying to convince people 20-hour flights are self-care. World Cup travel still doing the most. And New Jersey cancelled a ferry before it even got a chance to disappoint people. Enjoy your Juneteenth. Celebrate safely. Charge your phone. Watch your flight alerts. And stop trusting airports like they got common sense. BreathtakingLagoon.com still under construction while the remodel crew doing their thing. Peace. Rattles out.
Babes, that's today's travel gossip tea. If you're booking a trip, double check them dates, fees, and fine print don't get played. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what travel mess I should cover next. I'm back tomorrow, same tea time, same chaos. Bye!